Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzat bin Sulaiman. My matric number 270197. So for introduction, the wooden case puzzle is a time-honored game that has been played by people old age for generation. So the wooden bar are arranged in a circular or rectangle, and the objective of the problem is to find how to shift the bar. And the wooden brain teaser has 6 puzzle piece, maybe interpret on in one of 12 different spot. So as a player go through this entertaining challenge, they will be thinking almost exclusive about this puzzle.
Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Nora Shiki Mitikasman and my number matrix is 272068. Today I will talk about the drawing from our project, which is developing a 3D modeling, which is a link knot. Drawing allowed anyone to imitate the most creativity thought. It is a solid design approach seem constantly help to uncover a fresh design idea and solutions. For our assignment, we make a 3D sketch of our 3D modeling, which is a link knot. Before making a 3D modeling, we make a sketch of the 3D part of our model to be using as the illustration or the guideline for us to build our 3D modeling in AutoCAD. When a drawing has been created, there are few ways to transform it into a three dimensions. All the 3D figure is mostly in AutoCAD application are creating from a 2D design. The drawing or the sketch themselves describe the form or the rotate of the features, and variation features will be bring the picture into a 3 dimension in a different way. For this reason, the sketch or the drawing in this AutoCAD in 10:1 scala to enlarge the object. The diagram or the pictures in this slide, you can see the drawing make each part of the link knot from the 2D view. There are some parts that have one piece, and there are also the repetitions of part, which is part number 5. That's all for me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Afnan bin Zahari and my matric number is 271285. What is 3D drawing? 3D drawing adds a third dimension to show depth all in one view. With both types of drawing, we rely on elements such as points, lines, circles, arcs, but 3D drawing involves using them within 3 dimensions. Okay, for the 3D drawing, we are using the AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design (CAD) software used to create 2D and 3D models more efficiently and precisely than anything drawn by hand. Okay, for the object drawing, firstly, we must draw the object one by one part first in 2D, two-dimensional, using the line command. Okay, then we must combine all the line using join command to make sure all the line was connected to each other. Okay, next, use the extrude command to make 2D drawing becoming the 3D object. Okay, I will pass to the next presenter.
A very good day, Doctor. I'm Hoishin, metric number 277394. Now I will continue to present the solution for our models. Before we start to combine all the blocks that we created, we mark each block with a number to make it easy to identify which block we needed to use. So in step 1, you can see that we place block 2 on the top of the block 1. Next, in step 2, we will rotate the block 3 using the 3D rotate functions until the block face to the face we want. Then we just use the move function to move the block 3 inside the block 1 and 2 and place it at the right side. In step 3, we also use the 3D rotate functions to rotate the block 4. Then we also use the move function to place the block 4 beside the block 3. In step 4, we continue moving the block 5 by following the same procedure of block 4, but the block 5 will be placed left to the block 4. In step 5, we will move the block 3, 4, and 5 to the center of the model by using the move function. In step 6, we will move the block 4 across the block 3 to exactly halfway between block 1 and 2. In step 7, we will just repeat the step 6 with the block 5. Next, in step 8, we will move the block 3 backward 1 column. Then, we will continue with the step 9, which is we will move the block 1 and 2 to the left to have the space to insert the last block. Last but not least, we will rotate the block 6 also by using the 3D rotate function, and we will move it to the front of the block 3. Lastly, we will place the block 1 and 2 back in their original place. Thus, the model has been completely created. That's all from me. Next, we will move on to our model prototype.
project number is 270989. Now I will continue to the part of conclusion. In conclusion, our group project went smoothly and our group structure made it simple. We will need a lot of time to do this collective project. In light of that, the shape design of link node was not an easy shape for us. The group works together to assist one another in finishing the AutoCAD 3D drawing task. Hence, creating this project can offer us a lot of valuable input. For the project to be complete with quality and on schedule for submission, group cooperation is crucial. That's all from me. Thank you.